Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells eyeshadow palette. This is such an easy, simple, but beautiful look. Look how nice it looks. And I feel like a lot of people are doing these type of eyeshadow looks nowadays. Very simple, but then with a little wing, you know? So that's what I did today. I'm taking this color, putting it in the crease, going back and forth. Of course, this is my transition. I always start off with a good transition shade. And I love the quality of these eyeshadows. I think they're great. I even owned the original Walking on Eggshells palette, the trio. I just couldn't find it. I hope I didn't throw it out. Here I'm taking that second shade, and this is actually a satin shade, so it was a little weird putting it in the crease and in the outer V because it was kind of glowy, but it actually turned out to be perfect. I actually liked having like a little bit of glow on my, as my eyeshadow. I think it looked really pretty. Here I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette and doing a wing. I think this is so easy, guys. I'm just basically building up the color, and I always clean up my edges. I have to with concealer. It's like the best trick ever. I meant to put my lid shade on before the wing, but I forgot, so I just mixed those two colors, and with a fluffy brush, nothing crazy, I put that shade right on the lid. And then I went back to cleaning up the edges of my wings. So yeah, like, it never has to be perfect. Just, slap on a wing and then clean it up. Like what I'm doing right here, I'm just sharpening that edge. I also need to give a huge shout out and thank you to Emily Noel because she posted a video on her TikTok using this eyeshadow palette, and it made me want to take mine out and use it. I literally forgot that I had this palette, guys, so thank you, Emily Noel. I've been following her forever. She is the best. Here, Game Changer, my powder puff from Amazon. This is so good. The hype is real, guys. This sponge just fits perfectly right underneath the eyes. So there I just took the lightest shade in the palette, put it right underneath my eyebrow, and then I brightened the inner corner a little bit, and then I'm just lining my lower lash line. Can't talk. Lining my lower lash line with the dark brown, and as you can see, it goes straight into the wing. And then of course I'm going to blend that out with that satin color that I mentioned earlier. Because I'm crazy and I'm obsessed with false lashes, I did put on false lashes. You don't have to, but this is the final look. So easy and so pretty. I can't get over it. So if you guys don't have this palette, number one, you have to buy it. It's so affordable. You can do easy daytime looks and easy nighttime looks. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.